How to remove SD card from Insta360 X5. So, before you do this, make sure that you have turned off your Insta360 X5 device. If your device is still on, there are chances that the videos and files on your device will be cropped. So make sure that you turn off your device first. Now, turn your device towards the side and you can see the battery portal. First of all, you would have to remove the battery. So, let's just unlock this first. Now, as this has been unlocked, let's remove the battery. Now, over here, you can see the SD card option where your current SD card has been inserted. Now, just press on it in order to remove it. Now, once you do so, simply pull out the SD card. With that, you can see that the SD card has been removed. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.